Hello Ramesh, how are you?
Yeah, I am doing great, Vikram. Hope you are good.
Yes, yesterday I received the electricity bill and I was shocked. I analyzed a lot on it and there is a penalty due to degradation or overusage. Electricity consumption was lot. Also I am using capacitors to maintain PF but it doesn't work. I have heard that you are running your industry with an IoT meter, right? Can you explain about it?
Yes, Vikram. I am using a smart IoT energy meter called DRCU, which is developed by Delving R&D. When I use this device, I can see a lot of reduced energy consumption and it maintains the power factor. I can see all the data online with their energy management software. Also, if any machine is off for 10 minutes, I will receive an alert through SMS directly to me. The device is an affordable price compared to other offline meters. Now, I am happy with this device. Dell Smart DRCU is here. This is the latest generation of energy meter with smart IoT and cloud system. Built with quality that you can monitor as it is completely online. DRCU is known as Dynamic Reactive Compensation Unit. DRCU is a smart IoT energy meter with abnormality and PF controller, which will be installed along with the high energy consuming apparatus to maintain power factor, reduce electricity consumption bill, reduce losses, and read all the data online from anywhere with any device. The user will get a notify alert SMS when the energy consuming apparatus has been off and is able to see the on and off reports in the software. Economic benefits for end users may include reduced energy bills, lower cable size, reduced losses and improved voltage conditions, while utilities benefit from released system capacity. DRCU will measure all parameters and the measured data will send to the dedicated software for analysis purposes. It will also check for the device rated values, and if measured values exceed the rated value, it will switch on the warning alarm and cut off the power supply of the device. DRCU has multi-step, 2-step, 4-step, 6-step, and 8-step capacitor switching depending upon load. Remote calibration can be done through software, and capacitors inclusion is an intelligent algorithm inbuilt. Responsive design and access through all kind of devices from anywhere. Every detailed report, including injected CUVI-AR report, is available. Cost-saving reports and line loss reports with actual load, active compensation, and reactive compensation will be displayed. Delving has received the Smart Startup of the Year 2022 award in the India Smart Grid Forum, ISGF, and now DRCU is being installed on Madhya Pradesh Electricity Board in MPP KVVCL Indore Discom. Delving R&D started in the year 2015 with 6 years of R&D with vision of smart IoT ranging from MSMEs to distribution transformers.
Delving vision for productivity and automation in every industry and electrical utility saves millions of rupees for the nation.